I'm Shaheeda from Michigan, USA. I work in a dental office as office manager. Very busy life. I joined this course through WhatsApp ad from group, and I found that this course is very informative course. Hopefully, will be changing my life. Life without medicine. This is a big formula. So I will recommend everyone to join Dr. Madhav Kirti. Very good teacher, very much information, very much knowledge. Appreciate for his help, and lots of knowledge giving all over the world. He is like some big guru, I think. And the other thing I might say is, no religion, nothing comes in between the studies. This is not for certain religion. Anybody can join this course and take advantage. I'm really delighted for doing this course. Due to Ramadan, right now I'm not following it, but I'm waiting for, as soon as I finish Ramadan fasting, I'll be doing the whatever he told, and I'm going to follow the all his diet plan and everything, and it's going to help me. I'm 100% sure for that. And thank you so much for your all the knowledge, all the you gave us. I appreciate that. Thank you